Alright, so we are at this 3 floors townhouse. It is this building right in front of us. Cool. So there are 2 ways to get into this building. First is from this door, or you can go from this way. There's stoves here, sink, and water here from this door. And there are 10 rooms in this 3 floors apartment, and there's a rooftop. So you can see right here is room C. I'll go check in later. I want to give you a big picture first. So walk in. There are 2 bathrooms here, and room A and room B. And from here you can see a lot of words or message that the previous tenants leave on the wall, because it's tons of international students have been living here. So it's the common area, a lot of decorations, and very lively. It's the fridge, shelves, and another room K, right here. And this way goes to the 2nd floor, and there are more rooms in the 2nd floor. So we'll go start from room A. So this is room A. So it is a single bedroom, and there's a desk and a chair and a clock and 2 shelves, one over here, green one, and one over here. And for your laundry, and some shelves, open wardrobe over here. And here's the light and a split AC. Okay, from this angle. From this angle. So here's the window, but it goes to the wall, the brick wall, so not much light, but still good air can comes in. Let me lock it. Right. Okay. That's room A. And room B right here, a tenant just moved in this morning, so we're not going to check in this time, but we are going to check out the bathrooms. There's one over here and another one over here. So yeah. Alright, cool. So sink, toilet. It is a Western style bathroom. You got a separation, and a shower is right over here, and there's a window. And shelves right here. Cool. And then here's the second one. It's also a Western style bathroom. Has a separation to keep it dry. Alright, works fine. And big windows right here. And shower right here. Alright, cool. And you can see House of Fame and pictures. So here is the living room. There are several couches, big couches over here, and a coffee table, and a very big mirror, and a lamp, and a light, and a projector over here, and a screen right here. Okay, so the fridge, the freezer, and the fridge. Alright, and a microwave, some shelves, put your stuff, like hair dryer. Okay, from this angle. So right here is room K. Alright, so it is a double bedroom. Right here, there's a standard double bed and some shelves on the wall, and a open wardrobe right here, light, and a split AC. And this wall is, there's some painting, I think that's Gandalf, and some for your laundry right here, desk and chair. And this room, you got your good sunlight, and this way it goes to the main road. Okay, from this angle. Perfect. And here, this stairs, we can go up to the second floor, but before that, we'll open this door. So it is the first entrance we were talking about. Better lock it. There's some people drying their clothes right here, but it's fine. So there are several rooms here. We'll start from here. It's room E. Alright, so it is also a double bedroom with a standard double bed right here, and a mirror, and some shelves right here. So it turn on the light, and there's a split AC. It's a new one, and a desk and chair and shelves, and some open wardrobe right here. There's also another lamp right here. So for this room, you have your own balcony, private one. Very cool. Yeah, so this is the main road. Yeah. So let's check out this window. Oh, that's where the balcony leads to. Okay. So this is room E. Alright, let's go down the hallway. So on our left is room F. it is a single bedroom, and here's an open wardrobe, the shelves right here and here, and a desk and chair, and a single bed. This wall is painted sky blue, and right there, that is the AC. And here's the window. Oh, that side is the hallway. Okay, this room is pretty quiet. It's pretty quiet in this room. So this is room F. And room G, right here. So there's an open wardrobe. It is also a double bedroom, and shelves, a lamp, and here it is a standard double bed, and a desk and chair, and a little mirror over here, dryer. So the window, and you got your own private balcony as well. So from this angle to the room, this is room G, and here it says it's the Queen's room. Room H, yeah. So turn on the light. So it is a master room in suite, so you have your own private bathroom and a queen size bed, pretty large, and a mirror decoration on the wall, and a desk, big desk and chair, and open wardrobe, and some more shelves over here, and 2 windows. Here, and some over there. Okay, so your private bathroom, sink, and a toilet, and a mirror. You see the shower head. The shower head is linked to the sink. It is kind of common in Taiwan if you want to have a private bathroom in your own room. Sometimes people do that. So let's go from this angle. Pretty nice. So this is room H. Okay, so down here there are 2 more rooms, but they are like occupied right now, so we're not going in. Let's make our way to the rooftop. Let's press this thing. rooftop. Yeah, you can hang out here. It's really cool and it's large here. Alright, and the last room is room C. Room C is the first one right here. Okay, so this is room C. It's a double bedroom, so here is a standard double bed. And there are open wardrobes and the shelves right here. And a light. So there's a mirror, desk, 2 desks and 2 chairs and a split AC and a window. Right. So this is room C. Thank you.